How to use advanced feature in Twitch. Twitch offers several advanced features for creator to enhance viewer engagement and streamline productions. These tools support this tools such as stream together extensions and enhanced broadcasting, allows for a more interactive and a professional looking stream. So what you want to do is basically, if you want the professional streaming tools, you could go to the twitchtv.com, log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, to you could go ahead and enhance the broadcasting. So to enable the higher quality streaming, you could just go to the broadcasting software and check the enhanced broadcasting box as well. Next, you could go with the stream together. So this feature allows up to 6 creators to stream together with a shared chat and a hype train. You could access it by the Collaborator panel in the stream manager. So click onto your profile initials here and go to stream, or just go to create a dashboard, and there you have the stream manager. In the left hand side bar, click on there and go to stream. Right, so here you'll be able to find these options. Next, these added extensions overlay the leaderboard or soundboard or a panel to your channel. You can activate up to 3 panel, 1 overlay and 2 component extension as well. Simply you just go ahead and explore the other options available as well, and that is how you could go ahead and use the stream's advanced feature or Twitch advanced feature. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.